Well, hi everyone, this is my review of the Stedi model cleaning brush. It's a set and you get 3 brushes in the set, and I'll go into the details of these in a moment, but a bit of context. I love the Stedi brand. I've used them a lot. You might have seen my reviews already about the precision tweezers, which I think are really excellent, and this pen knife that I've just recently got. It's a craft knife. To give you some context, I do a lot of figurines, so a bit of Gundam, a bit of historical miniatures and terrain, etc. So I'm forever using little knives, bits of sandpaper to work on things. So there's always bits of dirt and things that you need to remove. There is nothing worse than finishing up your figurines. Those are fantastic. Taking them out, giving them some varnish, and then realizing that there's some fluff or a hair, some terrain grass or something has come up onto the main body and you've just varnished it on. So that's why you need a nice soft brush to go right over the figurine before you take it to the next step. Likewise with painting, you've finished all the layers, you just want to do some highlighting, and you're doing it and you realize that you've just painted something that shouldn't be there. So that's why we use these brushes. You get a large soft one, which is really, really soft, and a smaller soft one for doing smaller things. These will not damage the surfaces, especially if you're, say, working on some big Gundam figures or cars, etc. And you really want to do it nicely and gently. Now, the smaller brush, and this is actually a nylon type of threads there, it is designed to go into crevices and nooks. So that is why it is slightly firmer, and it will let you do that. So if you've been scribing, taking a scribing tool and going into the little the joins just to give it a little bit more depth, some of these are good. Or as I say, if you've been sanding away a little thing and then you want to get rid of that residue, that's why the little white one is very useful as well. So I've been loving them. They look very well made. There's wooden handles, metal around here, and this is some sort of fiber of some kind, and this, as I say, is a white nylon, much firmer to get in the nooks and crevices. So I really like them. They're well packaged, as always with Stedi, and affordably priced. So give them a try.